Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Trend Profit. Today I am going to show you how to create watch list. So what is a watch list? A watch list is nothing but a collection of stocks of your favorite stocks that you are going to trade or invest. So instead of searching a particular stock again and again, what you can do, you can create a collection, or you can say a watch list. So all you have to do is that go back to watch list and it will show you your favorite stocks. So right now I'm in the trading view. What you have to do, you have to click on chart, okay, and you have to click over here. So this is my already created watch list. So what we have to do, you have to come here and click create new list. Let's suppose we give the name my list and click save. So now we are in our watch list. The name of the watch list is my list. So if you want to add any stocks, what we have to do, we have to search for that stock. So for different way of searching the stocks in TradingView, I have already created a video. You can watch it by going to the link in the description. So let's suppose we search for HDFC Bank and we are here in the HDFC Bank. So I want this HDFC Bank to be in my watch list, so that next time I don't have to search it. I'll just go in my list and go to HDFC Bank. So right click on the any empty area on the chart and click add to watch list. So it will come in my watch list. So just like that, I can go to SBI Bank, SBI Bank. Let's suppose why SBI Bank is not coming. So SBI Bank, yes, there it is. So again click on empty area in the chart and then click add to watch list. And then what we need to do, we need to just go to our watch list, right? So our watch list is, so if we click on this drop down, it will show you different menus through which you can do or manipulate your watch list, and other options I'll be explaining in the upcoming videos. So the bottom section, this after the sections up after this last horizontal line, it shows all the list that you have created, all of your watch list. So our watch list is my list. So yes, now we don't have to search for our favorite stocks. What we have to do, we have to just click and it will take you to your favorite stocks. Okay, and there is another way of adding watch list to your list. So what you have to do for that is that first you have to be in that your watch list, and then you see this add symbol. You have to click over here, and what you need to do, search for your stock. For example, Axis Bank. So Axis Bank, click here. So now it is in your watch list. Just ignore this color for the time being, because that is one of the other features which I'll be explaining in the upcoming videos. And let's suppose we search for another stock, suppose Hindustan Unilever, right? So if you see, there are so many stocks, but what we have to choose is from the NSE and BSE, and there are stocks from other countries also. So I have explained this also in my previous video, and how to filter the only NSE and BSE stocks. So that you can also find in the video from the link in the description. So right now we want to add Hindustan Unilever to our my list watch list. So yes, it is added. Let's suppose I want to rename my watch list. What I will do, I'll click on the drop down and click rename. So it will give you this text box through which you can rename it. So just what we'll do, I want to give name fav list. Okay, and click on the blank area. Yes, it is that simple. Now your my list is fab list. Okay, and what if I want to delete it? So what we can do, you can delete it, but before that I'll show you how to make a copy of that existing list. So what you have to do, you have to again click this drop down and click on make a copy. So it will ask you that a name of your copy. So we have deleted we have renamed my list to fab list. So I want a copy and its name should be of my previous watch list. So our previous watch list was my list. So save. So now we will have my list as well as fab list. So we have, if you go in the if you go on the fab list, we'll have same stocks. If you go in my list, again the same stocks. So we don't need one watch list because they both are common, right? Fab list and my list. So what we will do, we'll just delete the one of it. So just click this cross button, okay, and it will give you this message to take the confirmation. Do you really want to delete watch list, fab list? Yes, we want to. So just click yes, and if you check again, fab list is gone and we are back to my list. Let's suppose we want to delete a particular stock from our watch list, that is my list. So what we can do, we can simply go over here and click this cross button and it will be gone, right? And yes, and so right now we are seeing the symbol name, last, price, change in terms of price and change in terms of percentage. Let's suppose I want more details, I want volume. So what we have to do, we have to click here and click volume. So it will show volume also. Click on extended hours, it will show the extended hours also. I just want the last price. So what I will do, I'll remove all the things and just keep this symbol name, that is the stock names, and the last, neat and clean, right? So this is how you can create watch list, manipulate it, and do other things which makes your trading more easy and friendly, and it will save you a lot of time. So that was it for the watch list, and in future I'll be creating more videos on the TradingView. And if you guys really want to know how to create financial freedom, how to do trading and investment, so please like and subscribe so that you can create a wealth for your future. So till then, bye bye, take care.